Ibadan! We are here again! We promised bringing our mega cities to you. Now we are here with our latest Coral City project.
Hello, smart and amazing people. My name is Esther, and today I'm right here at Mobolaji Johnson Railway Station here in Lagos. Right from this station, you can travel to Ibadan just a couple of minutes. In less than an hour, you are in Ibadan on a train, and I believe a lot of people don't actually like traveling on the road for hours because it's always exhausting. So here we are today, and one of the reasons why we are here is because I'll be showing you one of our properties, Coral City by Gracias, today in Ibadan. So stay tuned because I'll be bringing you more updates on this particular property. And also, I'm happy for some of our investors are already asking me when I showed them Coral City by Gracias, and they're asking, don't you guys have something in maybe Abeokuta or Ibadan? This is a good news for you, believe me, because this particular property is going to amaze you. So stay tuned and I'll give you more updates. Thank you. Arrive at Ibadan, and like I said earlier, Coral City by Gracias that we have in Lagos is also going to be launched today, in Ibadan. That's why we are here. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be giving you more updates on the property.
Station, the University of Ibadan.
Hello, smart investors. As we know, one of the smart moves to make while building your real estate portfolio is land banking. And right here today, we are at Coral City, Moniya, Ibadan. And this particular property is majorly for kids and teens. You've been investing in real estate and you're looking at another way to build your portfolio. One of those ways is investing in your kids' name, for your kids. Your kids are still young, they are teenagers. One of the best moves to make for them is to buy properties in their name. You can't imagine how excited they will be when they are grown and they know that they already own a property somewhere, and by the time they even realize it, the property would have appreciated in a way that even you would not believe. So at Coral City today, we're just launching this new property, and I'm bringing it to you because it's one of the best investments. You'll be glad that you invest in. So this particular property is going for just 1 million naira, and guess what? With 300,000 naira, just 300,000 naira, you can subscribe into this particular property and you spread your payments, even up to 10 months interest free. So call the number on your screen today, and I'll be available, to guide you through every necessary process to invest in this property. Thank you. So call the number on your screen today, and I'll be available, to guide you through every necessary process to invest in this property. Thank you.